Hi guys, it's Allie. I am gonna do a tutorial for the song Girls Like You using ASL. This is one of my videos, so if you want to watch it, you can go and check it out. But here's the how to sign it, or how I've signed it, my interpretation. And so yeah, here we go. The first line is spent 24 hours, I need more hours with you. So I did have or had 24 hours. 24 hours. So it's like a clock. It's going all the way around. Hours. But I need more with you. And then I kind of signed I depleted. So I'm depleted. Like I've run out of time. So had 24 hours. I need more with you. I run out, depleted. You spent the weekend getting even. Ooh. So your weekend, you do what? Get even. 2 levels, evened. So, ooh, that's the other sign. Whenever they're like, ooh, whatever, just kind of give it one of those, showing that like music is happening, things are going on. Or you could just do like an O and be like, ooh. Some people do that. So again, you spent the weekend getting even, ooh. So your weekend, you do what? Get even, ooh. We spent the late nights making things right between us. So we worked all day, or you can do all night, on our relationship. Or you can do like our relationship, we worked hard all night. Worked all night. This is all day. This is all night. But now it's all good, babe. So, but now we're good. Roll that backwood, babe. So roll backwood, which is like a cigar. So roll that backwood or cigar. Play me close. So I did deceive me, deceive me. Cause now we're at the chorus. Cause girls like you run around with guys like me. So because girls like you run around. So I did like running around, but you could just be like around guys like me. So guys like me till sundown when I come through. So until this point, so until sundown when I come through. So sundown when I show up, I need a girl like you, yeah. So I need girl like you, yeah. Girls like you love fun, and yeah, me too. So girls like, that are similar to you, love fun. So love fun, love fun. Yeah, me too. So similar, and this is me too, like you and I are the same. This is similar, or like you two are the same, you two are the same, we're the same. Girls like you love fun. Yeah, me too. What I want, so I want what? When I show up, I want what I want when I come through. So yeah, I want when I show up, I need a girl like you. Yeah, yeah. So a girl similar to you. Yeah, yeah. And then the chorus, which is the fun part to sign while it's happening, because you gotta be like, yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. So yeah, 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 yeah. I need a girl like you. Yeah, yeah. So I need a girl like you. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I need a girl like you. No more yes. Okay, and then the second verse is, I spent last night on the last flight with you. So last, this is time for last flight. Oh no. Last night I got on to get on last flight. So plain flight to arrive at you. So I spent last night on the last flight to you. So last night I got on last flight to arrive, land with you. Took a whole day up trying to get way up. Ooh. So took all day. I tried to get way up, so high. Could be any type of high you're thinking. So all day I tried to get way up, high. So an H, high up. Ooh, another ooh. We spent the daylight trying to make things right between us. So we worked all day trying to work our relationship, trying to work on our relationship. And then goes back into the chorus. So, but now it's all good, babe. So, but now we're good. And I did like, don't worry, we're good. Roll that backwood, babe. So rolling backwood, so cigar again. Play me close. So deceive me. Deceive me. And then continue with the chorus. So, because girls like you run around with guys like me. So, because girls like you run around with guys like me till sundown. So, until sundown. When I come through. So, when I come through, when I show up, I need a girl that's like you. Yeah, yeah. What I want when I come through. So what I want when I show up. Did I just skip a line? I think I did. So I'm just gonna go back a line. Girls like you love fun. Yeah, me too. What I want when I show up, when I come through, I need a girl like you. Yeah, yeah. And then into the yeah, yeah, yeahs. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I need a girl like you. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I need a girl like you. Yeah, yeah. I need a girl like you. Yeah, yeah. I need a girl like you. And then it goes into the bridge, Adam Levine's part, where he's like, maybe it's 6:45, maybe I'm barely alive, so maybe time 6:45, so maybe it's 6:45, maybe I'm barely alive. 2 A's going up, like live life. 2 A's alive. Maybe you've taken my shit for the last time, so maybe you're finished. You could do so. Maybe you finished with me. Maybe. Yeah. Maybe I know that I'm drunk, so maybe I know I'm drunk. So just my bottle, sucking it down. So maybe I know I'm drunk. Maybe I know you're the one. Maybe I'm thinking it's better if you drive. So maybe I think it's better if, if you drive. And then here comes Cardi B's part, where she says, not too long ago, I was dancing for dollars. So not time, long time, not too long ago in the past. So not long past, I was dancing for what? For money, for dollars, money. No, it's really real if I let you meet my mama. So know that it's real if, again with the I, if I allow you to meet, 2 people meeting my mama. You don't want a girl like me. I'm too crazy. So you don't want, this was want, this is don't want. Shake your head. Don't want a girl like me, similar to me, because I'm crazy. Too crazy. Just do crazy. But every other girl you meet is fugazi. So, but every other girl you meet is fugazi. That's right. Don't mind me right now as I look up what fugazi means again. Yeah. God. I knew this, I swear to God. Fugazi. That's not what I read before. It is so hot in here. Oh, right. Fake. Don't judge me for not knowing that. I don't know if that's something I'm supposed to know. Fake. Fugazi. I guess that makes sense. It kind of sounds like it. Fake. Wow. I'm gonna look that up. Okay. So every other girl you meet is fugazi. So every other girl is fake. I'm sure the other girls are nice enough, so I'm sure they're nice and fake, but nice enough. So they're nice enough but you need someone to spice it up. So to keep, continue your interest. Like that. Interest. Keep it, continue, interest. So who are you gonna call? Barty, Cardi. So who are you gonna call? Barty, Cardi, you just spell it out. Come and rev it up like a Harley. So come, start it like Harley. I just do like motorcycle. Why is the best fruit always forbidden? So why is the best fruit always forbidden? I'm coming to you now doing 20 over the limit, so I'm coming to you, so like driving, doing 20, so do 20 over the limit, or the limit, I think that's limit, yeah. So over the limit, so that's your limit right here. The red light, stop. So the red light, flick your chin for light. Red light, stop. I don't play when it comes to my heart. So I don't play around with my heart. I don't play when it comes to my heart. I don't really want a white horse and a carriage, so I don't want white horse and a carriage. So horse and carriage. I'm thinking more of white Porsches and carriages. So I like Porsches, I just spelled it out, and carrots. I need you right here because every time you call, I play with this kitty like you play with your guitar. So I need you right here because every time I call, I play with this kitty like you play with your guitar. So I play with cat like you play with your guitar. We're gonna go with that analogy, an actual cat, because we are gonna keep it PG here. So I play with the cat like you play with your guitar. Back to the chorus. Cause girls like you run around with guys like me till sundown. When I come through, I need a girl like you. Yeah. Girls like you love fun. Yeah, me too. What I want when I come through, I need a girl like you. Yeah. I need a girl like you. Yeah.